Hi everybody, my name is Stephane Tremblay. I am president of the SDVoE Alliance. Today I want to show you quite a cool demo called FlexLinQ. We are at ISE 2026 and here's FlexLinQ in action. What is FlexLinQ? FlexLinQ is a new reference design from Semtech that allows SDVoE transmitter and receiver to utilize the maximum bandwidth available. So previously 10 gig was the only solution for SDVoE. This time around, FlexLinQ can use 10 gig, 5 gig, 2.5 gig, 1 gig. So we all have it in action today. So if you can see the screen, right now it would be the typical SDVoE installation where we have one TX and two RX, and the one TX is connected to the two RX with a Netgear switch, and that is 10 gigabit. So the system is actually running at 10 gigabit, RX1, RX2, and TX running at all 10 gigabit. But as we all know, in order to run 10 gigabit, you need a Cat6A cable. If you had Cat5e in the walls, for example, you will not be able to run at full 10 gig. So this is what we have right now. This roll is a roll of Cat5e, 100 meter. So let's connect this instead of the short cable that we have and see what happens. So now what happens is that there's a training process that happens between the TX and the multi-gig switch. The training process is meant to establish the maximum link speed. So we'll see the result in a few seconds. What will be that result? So that result is 5 gig now. So my previous TX that was running at 10 gig, because of the long and bad cable, is now only running at 5 gig. But the good thing about it is that 4K screen still works as if it was 10 gig, because FlexLinQ has a new compression technology to be able to reduce the video bandwidth. So that was 5 gig. Why don't we push it to the limit and do 1 gig with it? So let me disconnect this long cable and connect onto a 1 gig switch. Again, I will have this training taking place. And after the training, we should see the image coming back. But this time around, it has to come back with only 1 gigabit of bandwidth because this is a 1 gigabit switch. So as we can see, the TX now is only using 1 gigabit. But yet the image, the 4K image, is quite sharp. So we are showing that the system can also scale. Let me show you the equivalent of a 2x2 wall for only this portion of the screen. This is actually the FlexLinQ 2000 that we had here. So on the FlexLinQ 2000, we see that we have the quarter of the screen. Let me go back to the full screen. You'll see that it was just the bottom right corner. So there you go for the FlexLinQ demo. It's quite interesting. We're happy to share more details about it. Contact us either at sdvoe.org or contact semtech.com. We will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you.